Hi guys, I am Kushaal. I am type 1 diabetics and I am taking insulin through a pump and I am taking through the company called Medtronics. So from all those there are varieties of machines. So from that I am using the Minimed 620G and today's video is upon unboxing of the machine. So come, let's get started. So guys, in the pack we get the Minimed 620G and you can get a Contour Plus Link 24 2 boxes in the set. And I bought these separate. This is the quick setter for applying my quick set. This is the Minimed quick set, which is the patches, and this is a reservoir for insulin delivery. So I'll just keep it aside. But in your pack you get these two. These all you can buy separately in online meets. So now I'm just going to keep this aside and let's go through the Minimed box. So let's open it. When you open, you get a start here manual and like this you'll get it. So here is your machine. You can just open this. Here you'll get one small box where you can open your machine. Here is your machine. Here you find your machines and here you have your trimming clamps, your activity guard and your pump clip. You can use a pump clip for hanging your pump, and the activity guard is used for kids or who do athletes, and this is used for testing the motors. So with this you get 2 AA batteries. So first let's go through the pump. As you can see, this is your pump. This has lot of this is one OK button. This is all up down arrows. This is the menu. This is back. I've already set with my this machine is already set and it's working, as you can see, guys. Yeah. Now this machine is working because I've already set it this. You can ask your doctors for setting it and you can take the help. After setting it, your screen will be. I am not using a CGM. I am using something called a Libre Pro, which runs for 14 days. So if you have a CGM, you will get your BG over here. As shown in the box, you will get a title screen like this. In this you have a lot of features. I'm just showing you the bolus. This is if you this how to unlock is there'll be a highlighted button. Just click. This randomize always. So I'll just go to manual. These all we have set it up. If you have not set it up, you can ask your doctor. Then manual bolus. I'm taking this 0.1 and just putting next. Dual and square waves are there. At the end of the video, I'm just going to tell you what is a dual and the square waves. So this is a sound of that we escape, means I have not taken the insulin. I'll just keep it back. And one feature of it, it's off in 15 seconds. So if I keep it here, you don't need to off. Automatically it gets off. So I'll just close this. Now here, as I said you, these are the parts. I'm just going to close this. Yes, after closing this, let's move on to the down part. Here you can open this in the start here. You will get one manual like this. You can open if you have something. You have your BG recording and what features are there in one book. Currently I don't have the booklet with me, but I have the starter guide system book. You have all the information in that. So here you get it. So this is what you get in the box. So let's keep this aside now. Now let's moving on to the Contour Plus Link 24. This is a small remote for connecting to your Medtronic machine. So this is ideal for your moms. If you are below 10, this is good for your moms and all, because if you are sleeping and your mom wants to give you insulin, they can give it by this. The disadvantage of this is You can't suspend by this. So in the pack you get this. This is the this. I'm not using the manual. I'm using something called AccuCheck Instant Yes. This is available in Flipkart and Amazon. And this is a cable. So here your machine is there. So moving on, this is a sample box. Let's go down the down part. Here, this is the micro LED next. So I'll just remove this aside. Now here you get the user guide and you get the quick reference guide. The quick reference guide is ideal for any shifting or if you are going out for a vacation. I'm just keeping it back. So this is what. So the pump sends your insulin through a narrow plastic tube, a catheter. This is the narrow plastic tube that ends in a tiny needle. This is the cap, and this goes to one tiny needle which is inside when you prick, which is called the tube, and the needle is called an infusion set. This is one part of the infusion set. With most of your infusion sets, the needle pulls out, leaving a flexible tiny tube called a cannula under your skin. The insulin delivers from the reservoir to your cannula. So I'm just going to show you an infusion set. This is a Minimed quick set. This is a 90 degrees one. So I'm just going to show you one. This has the catheter. This has the catheter, and this is the tiny needle with all your caps. Keeping this aside, in some machines, the bolus delivers basal insulin automatically based on your sensor glucose reading. The basal is automatically adjusted every 5 minutes. Bolusing for carbs before meal is necessary, but auto adjusts the basal after the bolus is given. So in this kind of machine, there's nothing called an auto mode, but in the Minimed 770G, you can get this auto mode. So moving on. So this is a small photo of for the insulin. First is the hemoglobin R, then hemoglobin N, basal G, and lantus. And you can see the examples, appearance, and when it starts to work. I am using the hemoglobin R, which is the first, and its appearance is clearly, and my insulin starts to act at 30 minutes. So now moving forward, I'm going to tell you what is a dual wave bolus and a square wave bolus. The dual wave bolus delivers a combination of intermediate normal bolus followed by square wave bolus. The square wave bolus portion is delayed evenly over a period of time. A dual wave bolus is useful for meals with both rapidly and slowly absorbed carbohydrates. So you can find it. Then the square wave bolus delivers a bolus evenly over a period of 20 minutes to 8 hours. This bolus can be used for insulin delivery when you have eaten a long meal with intended snacking. It can be also be useful if you have delayed food digestion due to the gastrophobia and or meals high in fat. So I'm just going to show you how to do. You can go to the bolus. I'm just unlocking it. Go to the manual bolus. I'm just going to take 0.1. The square. I'm just going to do square. You can go. If you click on this, you can go up to 8 hours. Then there is the dual wave. In the dual, you can see this. You can now how much it will go, square how much you have to go, and the duration you can check. So if you click deliver bolus, and here there's down only plain deliver bolus. That's the normal bolus which goes immediately. So now you can hear one sound. This is because you have not taken your insulin and you have escaped. So here is a small photo like how the CGM data transmitter and the CGM data receiver, which is the pump, and there's a small picture. You can refer it for your daily. Now next we are going to the continuous link. This machine was exclusively designed to transmit proven and highly accurate 1 to 2 continuous blood glucose test strips were results wirelessly to compatible the Minimed insulin pumps and easy and accurate CGM calibration and optimized insulin dosing. So moving on, we are going to tell the different applicator infusion sets. First, you can see a photo. That is the Minimed Mio Advanced Infusion Set. It is the newest set. This infusion set has 90-degree soft cannula and can be inserted with only 4 steps. This all-in-one inserter design means that no separate inserter is required. Inserter means I just showed you a Minimed quick inserter. That's not required in this. It will be inside only. The Minimed Mio Advanced Infusion Set can be inserted with one hand, left or right, as a hidden needle throughout the insertion. Set, you can check. This is the Minimed Quick Set, which has the 90-degree soft cannula, is one of the most popular infusion sets. I personally use this, and this is very soft, and I'm using with this a quick inserter. The Minimed Quick Inserter device may be used to insert the cannula under your skin. The Minimed Quick Set Infusion Set is available in various tubing lengths and cannula lengths. The next photo is the Minimed Silhouette Infusion Set. It is a soft cannula infusion set that can be inserted at a variety of angles. It's ideal for your individuals who are lean or live an active lifestyle. The Minimed Silhouette Infusion Set offers a comfort and flexibility by allowing to choose your insertion angle. The Minimed Silhouette Infusion Set is available in various tubing lengths and cannula lengths. Moving forward, the picture is the Minimed Shorty Infusion Set, which has a steel needle and an extra adhesive pad for more secure connection. The Minimed Shorty Infusion Set is a very fine 29 gauge needle and is intended for individuals who prefer using a needle to infuse their insulin rather than a cannula. It comes in various tubing lengths and cannula lengths. So now I just wanted to show you the Minimed Quick Inserter. This is the Minimed Quick Inserter. This is used for the Minimed Quick Set, which is at 90 degrees. So I'm just going to open. Keeping all this aside, I'm going to open. Opening it, you get a Minimed Quick Insert, where if you remove this, you get a Minimed Quick Inserter manual below. The Minimed Quick Inserter can be used to apply. Now this is the packaging. I have a 6 mm. I am using a 6 mm one. This is Quick Set. You can see this is the box. Now this is the Minimed reservoir. This is, you can find one manual in. These are the insulin tubings. I just wanted to show you my insulin tubings, where to put. The insulin tubings can be put here. 1 second, guys. Here, as you can see, this space, this is the what is it, the reservoir. You find this blue things is for insulin, putting the insulin in this. I've already set this. You can just put it in like this. Just put it in and turn it until it gets locked. Now this will be able to deliver the insulin through this, and this is connected to your patch. So I just wanted to show you what I use. I use a this is a Candelin, which is a Decathlon's company pocket. This is a pocket which I put it around my waist. It is a clamp, has a clamp which can be locked, and you can adjust it. So I put it around my waist, and it can be used for, it is available for adults and children too. So I put my machine inside this and ziplock my machine in here. So the activity, the pump clip can also be used for hanging, but I rather prefer using this than the clip. So thank you guys. This was today's video. If you hope like, please like, share and subscribe. Bye.